करुणारसपूर्णसुधाब्धे कामकोटिपीठाधिपते चरणं शरणं सेविते चन्द्रशेखरगुरुमूर्ते श्रीचन्द्रशेखरगुरुमूर्ते. Namaskaram. I just now heard in YouTube about Paramacharya in Tamil. I am impressed with it and want to share in English. So other languages they can also hear to this story. Even though my English is not good, story about Paramacharya, the great saint in Kanchipuram, who showed and also still showing so many miracles. I want to share how we have to inculcate Guru Bhakti. Once upon a time, this story actually really happened. Once upon a time, there was a devotee of Paramacharya, the true devotee. He used to work in Assam tea estates in a good position. Time passed on and the day has come for his retirement. After retirement also, he got an opportunity to work in other fields in good position. But he rejected them because he wanted to lead peaceful life and divert himself into Adhyatmikam under the direction of Paramacharya. So they packed their luggage and sent his wife and luggage to Kanchipuram. He decided. Only he and his servant were left. His servant also left to Kanchipuram for work there. That night, while he was sleeping, he got a big chest pain which he can't tolerate because of heavy pain. He had a habit that of keeping Paramacharya photo under his pillow. At that time of pain, he kept the photo on the chest and cried, "Please save me, Paramacharya, from this pain. I can't bear it." Within few minutes, without knowing himself, he slept. After that, in the morning, when he woke up, the photo fell down from his chest and actually he forgotten everything, and after seeing that photo he remembered of his pain again. That is the last day actually in Assam for him. That is the last day. He has to leave Assam and has to travel to Chennai. He already booked this ticket for the train that evening, and he has to go to his office also that day, and that evening he has to leave for the train also. While going for office that day, on the way he visited hospital and had ECG. Doctor was stunned and asked him, "How you came to hospital casually as if nothing happened to you? You got severe cardiac arrest yesterday night. Did you notice it?" he asked him. Then he replied that it is his then he nothing he replied. He realized himself innerly this is his second birth, and all because of Paramacharya, who acted as doctor at that time and at that night. Doctor told him to admit in the hospital for 15 days immediately. Instead of that, Ganeshan want to go urgently to Kanchipuram to have darshan of Paramacharya, and he did it only. He didn't listen to doctor words. After reaching Kanchipuram, he didn't tell to even his wife also and nobody else. And he got freshed up and he took his family and went to Matam for the darshan of Paramacharya along with family. When his turn came for the darshan, Paramacharya asked him, "How is your health now?" He stunned how Paramacharya know, and maybe he noticed that Paramacharya only saved him, but he was stunned. He didn't expect that Paramacharya will ask him this question. But while Paramacharya asked this question, his eyes were filled with tears, and Paramacharya even laughingly joked to him that why did you call me without calling God? Paramacharya asked him. His wife was stunned by seeing all this and asked him, what happened to you? Even Paramacharya asked him, instead of calling God, why did you call me? And all this happening, what happened to you? His wife asked him eagerly. By laughing, he said, "You are my God, Paramacharya," and bowed his head to Paramacharya, took prasadam, and left. It's actually this story was truly happened, and I want to learn that bhakti. What Ganeshan had, that bhakti I want to learn, and each and everyone should inculcate that bhakti, the true bhakti towards Paramacharya. I felt. I was impressed, so that's why I want to share this story with each and every one of you. Actually, I heard this story in Tamil, but I want to share it. I don't know much English. The English I know, in that English I want to share it, that each and everyone should listen the true stories of Paramacharya. So I am bringing this story to you all in English. Even in crucial period, his confidence and bhakti towards Paramacharya, how he maintained, and see his heart full of Paramacharya. So I want to practice such bhakti. जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्कर, जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्कर, काञ्ची शङ्कर कामाक्षि शङ्कर, जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्कर. धन्यवादम्.